Hey loves, thank you so much for returning back to my music and makeup channel. It's your girl AJ, of course, and in honor of Black History Month, I am going to be trying out some aloe vera. We are learning how to take care of our skin, especially after we put so much makeup and so much impurities and dirt and all that crazy stuff on our skin. Now, we are going to learn how to rejuvenate it. I have not tried aloe vera in my life on my face. I drink it, it's good for the body, but I've never tried it on my face after putting on makeup before, and that's what we're gonna do today. I have my aloe vera right here. I am gonna go ahead and try it out, and I'm a little nervous, but you know what? I think it'll be good. I think it will be very good. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. Of course. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off all of this makeup, and I'm gonna also take off my jewelry. I don't want to mess up my ring, so I'm gonna take that off. So don't penalize me for not wearing my ring. I don't want to get makeup in my ring. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off using this Pond's Cold Cream. There we go. Pond's Cold Cream. It's a moisturizer and it is a makeup remover. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just take a big glob here. And once we do this, there's no going back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Put that everywhere. I usually get scared because I'm just like, what does my face look like under here? But it's usually really, really cute under there. So let's just get all of this makeup off. Then you can get a makeup wipe or a piece of paper and wipe that all off of your face, all of that gunk, all of that makeup. We fought, we apologize. My heart, these lies, that piercing look in your eyes. Every time I usually take my makeup off, I always say the same thing. Welcome back, me. Know this. Just because your face looks like it doesn't have any makeup on it, and just because your freckles have returned, does not mean that you don't still have makeup on your face. So, and you can tell just by going like this. And there's still all of that gunk all over it. So, don't go to sleep like that. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with a face wash, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my face, and now I'm gonna just dry it. Looks all clean. So we are going to use this icky clear stuff that is in the aloe vera. I went ahead and cut it already, and let's go. It's going to be gross, but that's what we're doing right now. Make sure your hands are clean before you dive into doing this part. I don't really know how to do this, so I'm kind of just winging it. I'm just gonna take the juice and put it all over my face. I was about to drop it. So I went ahead and put the aloe vera all over my face, and I think I'm supposed to sleep with it and wake up and then have very radiant skin. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified of all of my uploads. Of course, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good day. See you next time. Bye. Bye.